Hey YouTube, what's up? It's me, the Ice Man. Today I'm making unboxing for another Michael Jackson movie this time. It's number ones. And I just received it from FedEx. Also the music videos it has, I think. And it's a 91-minute video. So it's pretty, not that short. Side we have the disc. And the table of contents. Alright guys, so if you could subscribe and if you could comment, there's some more videos that are coming up. Alright guys, bye.